dear students of class 9. I hope you all are healthy and safe at your home during this COVID-19. DPS Dhaka is much concerned about your study during this lockdown. Today we will read economics. My dear students, in previous class we have read about various activities of villagers of Palanpur. Villagers' activities of Palanpur. What they do for their livelihood we have read in previous class. What is production? Why there is need of production? What are the factors of production? All these topics we had read in previous class. Today we will read the most common production activity of this village Palanpur. Like other villages in Palanpur also, the most common and main production activity is farming. 75% of population is dependent upon agriculture for their livelihoods. Farmers and farm laborers both are indulged in this farming production activity. Let me clarify the difference between farmers and farm laborers. Farmers own land for cultivation, whereas if you talk about farm laborers, they have very little amount of land or they have no land for cultivation. The welfare of village depends upon how much they grow crops in the field. In Palanpur, the farmers grow both crops, means food crops and non-food crops. Food crops include of maize, wheat, rice, etc. and non-food crops comprises a number of cash crops like sugarcane, like soybean. My dear students, the farmers of village Palanpur grow crop in both seasons, that is in Rabi seasons, that is in Kharif seasons. The crops which are grown in Kharif seasons are called Kharif crops, whereas the crops which are grown in Rabi seasons are called Rabi crops. Then what is Kharif season? Kharif season starts on the onset of monsoon in June, July and continues till the beginning of winter. The main Kharif crops are maize, jowar, bajra, jute, etc. Whereas if you talk about Rabi season, it starts in the beginning of winter and it lasts till the last of winter. The main crops which are produced in this season are wheat, barley, etc. Now, what is the question? The question is what are the agricultural facilities available in Palanpur? Have you thought why the farmers of Palanpur are able to grow crops in both seasons, that is in Rabi seasons as well as in Kharif seasons? It is very obvious that there is a good chain of facility of irrigation and definitely there is availability of electricity, means there is well developed system of irrigation in Palanpur. That's why the farmers of Palanpur are not dependent upon monsoon for irrigation, and this is the plus point with them. That's why they can yield in all the seasons. Now means you can say that the condition for agriculture, the condition for farming in Palanpur is ideal. Just because of canals, tube wells, they are able to irrigate their crops all the time. Now, my dear students, just try to understand one thing. The land under cultivation is limited. The land under cultivation is limited. All the wastelands are also brought into the use of agriculture. But the population is increasing rapidly. Land is fixed and the population of that village is increasing rapidly. So how they are capable of being to meet the need of growing population? Is it possible to grow more crops, more production on the same land? Yes, it is possible. The farmers of village Palanpur has adopted modern method of agriculture. They can raise their crops, by using modern method of agriculture. They use high yielding variety of seeds. They use chemical fertilizers, they use pesticides, they use weedicides, they use manures, and this results into surplus production. So the farmers of village Palanpur are able to grow more crops on the same land by using modern method of agriculture, and they used to sell their surplus production in nearer markets so that they can earn some benefit for their livelihood. Now the other way how they can increase their production on the same land, so they use mixed farming and multiple cropping also for more production on the same land. So what is multiple cropping? Growing different crops one after other on the same land in different seasons are called multiple cropping. Now then the one term, that is multiple farming. What is multiple farming? Multiple farming is a type of farming. Multiple farming is a type of farming in which cultivation of crops and raising livestock go hand in hand. So these are the some methods which the farmers of village Palanpur implies, and now they are capable of growing more and more crops on the same land. But is the method of modern agriculture will sustain in future for our coming generation? Will land sustain this modern method of agriculture? We will read this topic in detail in next class. In next class, we will read about what is the pattern of land distribution in village Palanpur, the capital needed during farming, and sale of surplus production in market. These all topics we will read in detail in next class. Till then, bye. Thank you.